In this video we're going to replace the power on switch from this Gameboy Advance. Now it's working, but sometimes it doesn't really work or just turns off, so the switch is probably a little bit dirty. I've got some replacements. These are very small. So we're gonna just have a look if it's just dirt or corrosion or whatever, and replace it if necessary. You need a special bit for this. It's a so-called tri-wing screwdriver, and you need, for this one, you need just a Phillips screwdriver. Here we go. Just removing the power switch thingy. There is a lot of dirt inside. And the power switch is doesn't look that corroded, but take some IPA to clean it a bit. Just see, just the outer. There's a metal plate on top of it. You can remove that and have a look at the inside of the power switch. So we're gonna try that first, and if that's not enough to get it working nicely, we also have this replacement switch. It's good, just remove the complete switch. And that would just fit fine. Goes. This will act just the same. So, try and remove the metal plate. Just add some fresh solder to the outer shells. It's already lifting up a bit. It's a bit hard to position. gonna use a tiny screwdriver just to pry it between. See if it works. Really stuck. Here we go. That's one side. The other side should be a bit more easy. Here we go. Yeah. Looks all black. I hope it's visible. Just a piece of paper and some IPA. Should do it. Let's get some more. There are two. Let's see. Okay. There's little metal in here that's connected and that's shifting over those metal plates there inside. Turning it on and off. A little dirty. Just cleaning that up also. And we have to put it back. Just get rid of the old solder. First we're going to add some fresh solder. Just get it flowing nicely. Gonna remove the excessive solder. Not flowing it. I'm just gonna add some. Let me see. Some flux. it's not working. I'm gonna just remove the old switch and replace it with a new one. Using some parts. Some solder. Push it down firmly. There we go. Up some IPA. Let's put it back together. Place back the plates. Off position right now. When I'm fiddling with it, it doesn't turn off again, or just, and it immediately starts when I turn it on. It's giving me a red LED sometimes when I'm first fiddling with it or turning it on, but that doesn't seem to be the case anymore. That's about cleaning the on-off button. So we didn't have to replace it. It looked okay, no corrosion, just some black dirt on the contacts. We cleaned that and it's working perfectly fine now.